Hello, we're back. Another day. Wednesday today. So let's get to it. Um, maybe I don't know. My camera does keep freezing, which sucks. Uh, but we're gonna keep it recording and stuff. So what do we see here? The daily. Uh, we have this huge fair value gap, 4 hour sell side with this daily low and then the previous day low. So I feel like we are gonna be bullish or bearish. There's something at fucking something. There it is, 1 hour, 4 hour for value gap right here. I put out the 50% mark of it, which is near the CE, and then the entire fucking time frame range. 50% mark is right above this sell side liquidity, so it could be a target for maybe the PM session, um, stuff like that. But let's just watch the 15 minute. I want to see an intermediate term high get pushed up into this, then price possibly pushing down. We'll have to see though. Standard deviation projections show that one. What if we are to take the ICT projection, which is this, what he does, of this failed manipulation leg, or whatever, this consolidation range, high to the very low. We see that -1 aligns with the sell side liquidity resting right below there. So, yeah. We'll have to just watch and see though. Just being patient. And my camera already froze. Fuck. Hello, we're back. Maybe it's because I'm recording my camera as well. I really have no fucking idea. But it's just really annoying, bro. I would do a quick time capture, but I don't fucking know. Like, Price just doesn't want to do that. It just makes it so that shit is insanely fucking high size. Like, the size is fucking huge. It just is really gay. Relative equal highs right here. Price pushes up into this CE of this FEG, as well as 50% range. ES is already on the 50% range, I checked. Let's just see what NQ wants to do. I am using relatively less CPU, just because I'm not using my camera, I guess. Which is good. Maybe that was like the issue the whole time, because I'm using my camera. Which is fine, I mean, I don't have to use my camera, but I have like no storage in my computer, bro. Like, it's so dumb. Holy shit. It's actually like really stupid, bro. Let's see what price does. Just hit the 50%. Could be making an SMT at these lows, possibly. Oh, I didn't really see these relative equal lows either. This is a good target. Yeah, relative equal lows right there. Just decent. Okay, well, we're back. I tried to record the open like 6 times. What the fuck? Price looks like it's doing the Willy Wonka or some shit. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the... Looks like I already passed the CE of that. Let's look at this 15-minute. Oh, fuck. 15-minute FVG. We are tapping into this 15-minute FVG CE. If we are bearish, we should at least reject off of one of these levels. Seen as ES is starting to push lower. Just gonna go ahead and mark out London Asia lows. Yeah, it looks like price is forming some sort of SMT at these lows. Relative equal, pretty much equal lows right there. Did form an SMT right there, but I believe the draw would be bearish. So, you know, we just tapped that CE of whatever the fuck that shit is. Just made a decently big rejection wick. 15-minute will close soon. I guess I have to record this shit on fucking on whatever the fuck it is. I can't record it on OBS because OBS keeps fucking freezing. So I have to record it on fucking this shit or whatever the fuck. So gay and annoying. But anyways, so we're tapping into that 15-minute FVG. We haven't really made any market structure shift at all. Sort of just pushing our way up. But we'll have to see what price wants to do. Just be patient. Yes. Pushing its way down. Sort of just consolidating in this range. But we are at what? EQ of this entire range. Yeah, I pretty much tapped EQ of that entire range. So if we were to be going down, I feel like now would kind of be the time. But we could end up just pushing our way back up. So yeah. S&T right there. Just being patient. Our draw could be bullish in the end. Who knows? No, don't eat my fucking. But yeah, sadly I can't. I don't think I can record my face anymore for you guys, which is fine. I guess I'm chopped as fuck anyways, but it still would have been kind of fun to do it. This 1 hour order block edge right there. price could end up just tapping up into this. Looks like ES is pushing its way back up as well. I don't see any more FVGs really at this point. Could end up just being bullish on the day. Honestly, yeah, it could. Oops. It's the wrong one. Fucker. You stank ass piece of shit. Yeah, okay, so we could end up reaching OTE of this entire range. To then push down? Don't really know. Don't really know. Don't really know. Edge. About to reach this 1 hour order block. SMT at those lows. PM session could end up being pushing down. I don't really trade the PM session though, because it's kind of boring. Pretty much sweeping these relative equal highs right there again. Sort of just consolidation. You could end up possibly tapping into this FEG. But who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I'm about to blow. Yeah, at least the Apple recording doesn't fucking freeze on me. If it does, I'll just have to make a trade recap video. But yeah. What's this news right here? Wall Street set to open slightly higher ahead of Federal Reserve remarks. Wall Street futures tick up with Fed commentary. Surging stocks and gold. Okay. I don't know what the fuck that means. But hooey, buddy. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm super, super, super sorry. Are you gonna my shawty? Are you gonna my shawty? Are you gonna shawty? Get under the bed. Get under the bed. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Stay under there. Alright, anyways, so we're tapping into this 5-minute order block. On our way up. Very much in a premium. This could be just a trick to trick buyers. Personally, it's what I think. Personally, it is what I think. Tryna keep me stranded. What the fuck? Want my bubble butt? Do you want this big old bubble butt? Sorry, 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 sorry. Are you gonna say sorry? Are you gonna fuck my body? Are you gonna fuck this body? Sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. What am I fucking saying half the time? Tiniest of tiniest SMTs here with this high and this high. But I feel like, and ES is probably attracted to this new week opening gap anyways. Probably gonna go down, sweep Asia, London. PM session will probably sweep this liquidity. Honestly, could be a hold. But I don't like holding that long. I kind of just like taking profits. Do you want to touch my body? Do you want to touch this body? Do you want to suck my body? OMG, my body. OMG, this. I mean, we're still respecting this 1 hour order block. I mean, fair value gap. This 4 hour pretty much too. But yeah, I mean, looks like we can keep going bullish until we tap this 1 hour. Or if we just disrespect it, we could even go up here into this high time frame OTE area. I feel like my big mistake before was like I really wanted to find exactly where price would tap off of, so then I knew exactly price would tap off of it, then I could enter off of some shit. But I mean, you don't need to do that if you have a draw on liquidity and there's confluence surrounding it that align together. You know, there's previous day low right here. We have this whole area kind of getting marked out. Once this displaces down, we could do some sort of boom. Oops, wrong way. We could do some sort of boom, boom, -1. Still aligns pretty well, but yeah, I don't know. I feel like now I'm just more like looking at the general basis, and then when I see the internal model, which is like the market structure shift, the ICT teaches and shit, then I enter, and then I just try to take out at the low hanging fruit, you know. Let's see what happens when we tap this order block. Do you want to touch my body? Do you want to touch my body? Do you want to do it naughty? Do you want to play Clash with my body? Do you want to play Clash with my body? Do you want to come and play Clash with my body? Do you want to come and play Clash with my body? Sorry. Should I play a game of Clash right now? Big discrepancy just between ES and NQ right here. So we're really just consolidating on ES. Pumped up on NQ. Alright, let me play a game of Clash. Last time I was on Clash, I raged. But I feel like this is going to take a while to happen, so. Dead ass, bro. Tapped into that order block on the 1 hour. Bro says wow, as if that wasn't an easy fucking defense. Tapping into this order block. I don't know how this fucking piece of shit has so much gosh dang elixir. God, this guy's such a loser, bro. I lost, GG. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I just had to play a game. I didn't have to do anything, honestly, but I wanted to. Anyways, I mean, I guess at this point we pass OTE. Probably are just gonna go up, sweep previous day high. And yeah. Doesn't look like price really has any reason to go down anymore. ES is starting to push its way back up as well. FOMC could create some sort of a thing, but it is 10 a.m. now, so this is the 10 a.m. candle. Ten a.m. stir. Price just likes to push its way up. I'm not very aligned with my own bias, to be honest. And it doesn't look like there was any retracement opportunity, except for maybe around here. Well, I mean, that wasn't clear at all since... Yeah, that really wasn't clear at all. We were in a bearish PD array, so... yeah. Is this due for another game of Clash? Could be. Could be, could be, could be. We're having some sort of reaction here. Some wicks, some wicks. Not bad. I should not have won that game of Clash, by the way. honestly crazy. We are having some sort of possible rejection wake. Beautiful. Actual beautiful damage. I don't know, price doesn't seem very strong on the bears. Just seeking out that previous day high liquidity, I guess. Okay, this guy's such a loser. Firecrackers is doing fucking damage, bro. Fucking lost. Oh my god, lost because of this shit. Because he's a level 14 P.E.K.K.A. Fuck off, bro. Oh, that's annoying. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't look like Price is offering any kind of push to the downside. Okay, well, maybe some rejection wicks. Who knows? Looks like we're reaching OTE on ES as well. Really gonna take a while, I think, for this to even offer anything, any sort of play. I'm gonna change this deck up a little. Oh my lordy. Everyone's using Firecracker nowadays, man. Firecracker is a pretty darn good card, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, it doesn't look like Price wants to offer any sort of reaction or so. Just wants to straight bull run its way up to previous day high. Okay, so I don't know why. I literally need to get some kind of new software to record because I can't do anything on this recording. But anyways, so trade recap, whatever the fuck. Oh my god. So anyways, we open. We're consolidating in this range. We're pushing up into these fair value gaps. My trade is to go maybe at EQ or something to then push back down to be bearish. But yeah. So we have a fair value gap here. So I guess I don't know. Realistically, my trade idea wasn't entirely wrong. It was just I guess days happen. But I just realized yeah we have a fair value gap right there. But the 4 hour one did get inversed. So I guess if the 4 hour got inversed, then yeah. Okay. Anyways, whatever. So price is pushing up. I mark out this entire OTE range of the super high time frame. We're at 0.79, which provides good confluence. After which price forms a SMT from these two highs right here. This one and this one. On ES is this one and this one. So I'm like, okay, let's wait for a market structure shift. Price ends up pushing down on the 2-minute, create a market structure shift, creating a small little FEG. Enter on this, keep my stops up here, which is originally a 28-point stop. I end up trailing the stop. End up trailing the stop, entering at 10:26 a.m. The 10 a.m. candle right here aligns pretty well with this. Well, the 1 hour order block, you don't have to look at that level, but anyways, so then I'm trying to find targets, and my targets are first starting at this very low to this very high, with the equilibrium range being right here. This little PD array on the 5-minute is in a discount of the range, so I was trying to target that for my original trade, but I failed to realize that there was a smaller time frame range from this high to this high, which EQ aligned pretty damn well to the 10 a.m. key level. So price ends up pushing down, tapping exactly on this level as well as this FEG on the 5-minute, and we then end up pushing our way back up. If we go down to lower time frame, we have another market structure shift right here. 2 minutes the only one that really gets filled. So the 2-minute right here, another market structure shift, boom. Then we go down, tap into this to go bullish. But I actually did not lose any money on the day because my trade, if we extend, I don't think I'm going to be able to record for more than 5 fucking seconds, but alright, I'm going to try to do this, but anyways. So yeah, seeing what I said before, market structure shift, price rejected off the equilibrium of that 5-minute range from the high to that low. Oh my god, I can't even fucking do shit. From this high to this low. I'm trying to do this fast because whatever. Anyways, yeah, so then we get market structure shift, then price taps into the 2-minute market structure shift range, then boom, 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 boom. But I didn't lose any money because But I didn't lose any money because I went break even on my TP right here because I knew price would rebalance to this 5-minute inefficiency. You see that 5-minute, boom, boom, boom. You see that 5-minute? So yeah, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so I didn't lose any money in the day. because I was smart and I knew that price after this would then push up to a previous day high probably. But yeah, anyways, that's all for the day. Fuck me. Fuck you. Fuck this stupid recording fucking piece of shit.